Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about visualizing the audio signals. Let's see how to visualize an audio signal. We will learn how to read an audio signal from a file and work with it. This will help us understand how an audio signal is structured. When audio files are recorded using a microphone, they are sampling the actual audio signals and storing the digitized version. Let's open my directory which contain files. I have audio file which I've saved here. You can just open and play it. Now let's move to the output. Open terminal and let's type python space audioplotter.py. Hit enter. You can see the waves are formed here. Amplitude versus milliseconds, that is time. The signal shape, data type, signal duration, that is 3 seconds. It just shows 50 samples of the input audio signal. So this is what output we will get. That is visualization of audio signals. Now let's see the coding part of it. Let's open audioplotter.py. The first one, import numpy as np, which we already know. Second one, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Matplotlib is a Python 2D plotting library which produces publication quality figures in a variety of hardcopy formats and interactive environments across platform and rename as plt. Here we did rename as plt. Next, from sci.py.io, import wave file. sci.py, that is science.py, is an open source Python library used for scientific computing and technical computing. Now let's read the input audio file using the wave file read method. It returns two values, sampling frequency and the audio signal, that is sampling frequency, signal equals to wavefile.read random_sound.wave. This is the same sample which I had stored outside, which I showed just now. That is, we just tried the input audio file using the wavefile.read method. Next, print the shape of the signal, data type, and the duration of the audio signal. That is, print signal shape, signal.shape, print data type, signal.dtype, print signal duration, that is round, signal shape 0, float, sampling frequency, 2 seconds. Next, normalize the signal. So we'll restore the signal value, that is signal equals to signal divided by np.power 2,15. Now extract the first 50 values from the numpy array for plotting, that is signal equals to signal 50. Next, construct the time axis in second for plotting, that is time axis equals to 1000 star np.arrange 0 length signal, 1 float sampling frequency. Now let's plot the audio signal using plotter. So plt.plot time axis signal color equals to black, plot.xlabel time milliseconds, plot while label amplitude, plot.title input audio signal, plot.show. The plot we had imported, so it will happen by itself by using the inbuilt library. Now let's save it and close it. Now let's move to the output now. Open the terminal, run the command as python space audioplotter.py. The preceding picture shows the first 50 samples of the input audio signal. We'll see the following output on your terminal. The output printed in preceding figure shows the information that we extracted from the signal. You can also watch out the signal shape and data type, and lastly the duration of the audio. So that's it in this video on visualizing audio signal. Thank you for watching this video.